Thanks very much. First of all, I would just like to say that I'm really thrilled to be here with you today, and I'm really thrilled to see this very much needed initiative happening for pancreatic cancer. And I can also tell you that all of us scientists at the Garvan Institute who work in this area, this really means a great deal to all of us. So I'm here to tell you and give you a bit of a very, very quick flavor of what's happening at the Garvan in terms of pancreatic cancer research. So we have a strong history of pancreatic cancer research at the Garvan. So for example, we were the first to show that pancreatic cancer is not just one disease. It's molecularly very varied. And so this is why we think that the current approach where one drug is given to all patients is just not the right way to go. But we don't live in the past. We're very driven, and we would like to drive some of these discoveries actually into clinical practice. And the way we're doing this is by taking the key mutations that we've identified through our large genome sequencing projects and actually trying to develop some more targeted approaches for this disease. So this is where each tumor essentially will be, the therapy will be tailored specifically according to the biology or the genomic fingerprint that we identify for that particular individual. And so we have made some small breakthroughs, at least in the preclinical setting. So for example, one of the drugs that's particularly interesting is just recently been approved for breast cancer treatment. It's called palbociclib, and we're seeing some very nice specific responses in subtypes of pancreatic cancer. So watch this space, hopefully something interesting will happen. In the laboratory, we're also designing new imaging technologies to better study the metastatic disease. And so this is because majority of the patients actually present with metastatic pancreatic cancer. Finally, one of the most recent projects that's looking very promising to us is to develop new humanized models of the disease. So we think that this will represent the human situation more, and it will allow us to test some of the immune therapy-based approaches that are gaining so much promise in other cancer types. So we're looking to apply this again in pancreatic cancer. Now, we also realize that we really need to focus and try to answer questions that are directly relevant to the clinical management of pancreatic cancer patients. And we believe that the key and one of the big strengths of the Garvan Institute is the Australian Pancreatic Cancer Genome Initiative. So this important network and resource is available to all of us. It's not just a biobank, it's also a network of clinicians and scientists working together to make some real discoveries in this area. So I'm happy to talk to all of you more about specific projects if you'd like to know more, but I'm told that this is it. Thank you so much.